Oh, dear. Hide the caffeine. Thea's extra fired up.
And her partner from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Thea Hale.
Early into her career, and Thea Hale is up. This is gonna be good. There's the bell on this tag team match is now underway.
You gotta love tag team action. Always having someone to watch your back. Always having a partner to bust some skulls and cause destruction with. It's always fun to share that joy, man. Oh, yes.
And no one there. She reverses and creates an opportunity. Thinking of going high risk here.
Boom. What a reversal from the top. The drop kick finds its mark.
From the middle rope. Oh, what a splash. Taking a chance one more time and landing with incredible impact. She's got nowhere to go.
Spiked with that DDT, man.
Oh, there's an arm breaker. Right to the spine. This is an all-out assault, and she is totally powerless right now.
She has to dig deep now. Find the strength to stay in this. Takedown, skull first. Brought in the hard way. I'll just leave it at this. Nobody comes into a match hoping to get chucked around like...
Oh, there's press.
A little bit of instant regret being felt here, I'm sure. Leaping to your own doom like that.
Oh, knock your head right off with that knee.
Springboard misses the target. Avoided any damage there.
Ooh. Lands the crossbody.
She manages to maneuver herself out of harm's way. But they're in the corner. Something's coming.
Uh-oh. Look at the power.
Mounting their downed opponent and firing off a series of blows. And a stomp to the gut.
Just like that. She turned it around.
Oh, just bludgeoning the competition with that blow.
Looks like she's going to shake it off, but she needs to make sure to protect her head better. To the arm.
Drop kick.
Stomped into the ground.
Into the elbow drop.
Forearm to the face.
Oh, nothing fancy about that.
She's starting to wear down here.
And now is perhaps the time to do whatever you can to tag your partner.
They've been pushing each other for weeks now, and I can't believe it's reached this point.
Yeah, Cole, when a feud gets this intense, it's hard to come back from it. This is something they'll carry for years.
She's looking to go top rope here.
Taking off.
Missile drop kick. Hale able to counter.
Series of counters here. Who will finally capitalize? These two have learned each other so well.
Nice Japanese arm drag.
Ducks out of harm's way.
Oh, there's an arm breaker. Right to the spine. Gonna roll through. The counter crusher. And releases the hold. Maybe didn't have enough grip. And she's tagging out. Stiff kick. Thea Hale gets battered as her opponent goes to work. Set a clothesline.
Thea Hale in her clutches.
Lots of torque on that suplex.
She kicks out in one.
She is not going down just yet. She wants to keep fighting.
Boom! Read that one.
Back and forth, trading reversals. These women have been dismantling each other since the opening bell.
Oh, wait a minute, gonna reverse that with a big punch ahead.
And an answer from her.
Forced into the corner and needs to stay on the defensive.
Uh-oh. She's got a pin. This might be the end. She still fights out in one.
She is still in this fight.
Makes the tag.
Counter. Saw it coming. Set a clothesline.
This is the kind of performance that takes to be goated.
It certainly puts you in the running, Booker.
Tapping into the crowd's reaction, looking to receive that proverbial, crucial burst of energy.
She counters it.
Cross body.
Swept the leg right out from under.
Gets the reversal. What a counter.
Chess match of counters and reversals happening here.
Breaks the close count.
So close to ending this thing.
Handstand. Hoping that was enough. Was it? She kicks out with force.
She's got serious grit. How did she manage to break that pin? Looking to the WWE Universe for a bit of a boost. Some might say she's pandering.
And she continues to carry on through the pain.
With everything she's been put through, she just won't stay down.
One kick. Two kicks and a clothesline. She turns it around with the reversal. Superman punch. And here we go.
Spiked. Will that be the deciding factor? This has truly been a match for the ages. Nay, a battle for the ages.
And as this battle rages on, the crowd can't help but show their appreciation. We're going to be hard-pressed to see a better match than that. Here's another look.
Here are your winners.